Hey friends, and welcome back. I'm doing Camp Mom Spring Break Edition all week long with activities all week. So today was Monday, so we did bunny buns, paper crafts, and we made some planters. Spring break! Spring break!
Spring break!
You guys look thrilled. For our bunny buns, we just took regular cinnamon buns and shaped them into bunny faces. Are you ripping it open? Go ahead, rip it open.
I want to open one. These are icy.
All right, everyone put one on the pan. Just one.
Why is it squishy?
Just one.
This one's gonna make it.
Okay, put one on the pan, Erin.
What is that?
All right, I'm gonna put one too, okay?
Wait.
And now we have our bunny heads, but what do bunnies have that are really, really long on the heads?
Can you
Yes?
please stop telling me this?
All right, so we're gonna use another one to make some ears for our bunny head, like that. So I'm just pulling these apart and then shaping the pieces into ears. Here, Ayla, put one ear on top of yours.
No.
That's where you want it?
Yeah.
Okay. Make you another one. Put your ears on. Show me your ears, Carter.
Mom, Erin's just been sitting for a minute.
Nice, good job. Erin, you gonna open that one? We might save that one for tomorrow because it looks like we got enough bunnies for all of us.
4, 5, 1. What about Erin's other ear?
Good job. You tell me how long to cook them for?
Oh, into 440. Like 400 circle F. The bunny face.
My kids are 2, 4, almost 6, and 7, and I love being able to do camp type activities with them and have everybody do things that are age appropriate. So like Camden looked at the degrees and the directions, he read them for us, and Erin is 2, but she liked just ripping that paper. So here I am just cutting some bananas to use as bunny teeth, and we're going to use raisins as eyes, and I put the icing into a Ziploc bag so we could squeeze it out and kind of pipe it onto our bunnies. I know, everyone will have turn to do their...
No.
Okay, you ready? Put your raisin eyeballs on right there.
No,
Put your raisins on.
I want to get
Raisins, right.
Raisins.
That's the eyeballs. And there's some banana too. What do you guys think the bananas are?
Mouth.
What do bunnies have? They go...
Teeth.
Teeth.
I only have one teeth.
Okay. Eyeball.
I like
Eyeball.
the raisins off.
That's fine.
Just do my whiskers.
Alright, so a triangle nose.
Actually, I want you to do my
A triangle for the nose and whiskers. Whiskers. You can eat him, Erin. Gonna eat your bunny bun? You're gonna eat his ear! Ah! He can't hear anything!
I can eat your eyes.
You're gonna eat his eyes?
One eye.
See what we have left. Do you want to try, Carter? You gonna do this?
What you do?
Okay. Do you want to do the lines?
Can I eat it now?
Yeah, you can eat it. You want me to do the lines?
Yes. And I pick the eyes off.
3 lines.
Hey.
Who found him?
I did.
After breakfast, they just had free time to do what they wanted, and the boys actually found this snail outside, so we made a little habitat for him.
Camden, you can take such a look at my phone. This is definitely kid stuff. It's moving, look. Oh, you just want it. Everyone, eat lunch.
Corey packs the lunches for school, and I asked him this week to keep packing the lunches like we do over the summer, and that just kind of helps my day go a little bit smoother so I can just pull their lunch boxes out. And then they all said that it was time to go out for recess, so that's what we did. I loosely theme my Camp Mom week, so Monday is always Make It Monday, and we are going to make these spring paper flowers. And the first thing that we're going to do is just cut some construction paper into 1-inch strips, and we are going to need 4 of these. Then we are just going to glue them into X shapes or cross shapes. So we laid one down vertically and one down horizontally. And then we're going to do the same thing. Hold on. Yeah.
It's X.
An X,
oh,
right.
You're supposed to do...
Yeah, Camden, you gotta glue them like that.
That's a snowflake.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a snowflake.
No, it is a snowflake.
Yeah.
You're supposed to do an X.
Right. Yep.
And then...
It's like a T and an X.
Yeah, that's nice.
And once these were all glued down, I just went ahead and added glue to each end of what is going to be the petal of our flower. And that way the kids could just kind of fold them over into the center and they would be glued down. I just wanted to take a second to say I am far from this super mom, Pinterest mom. I just really like having activities planned when the kids are home for summer or for spring break. I mean, my kids broke like 3 toys today, just like all other kids during spring break. So we're far from perfect over here.
It's like a bow.
Yeah, you're right. It is like a bow.
That's what it is. See, there's a little blade on it.
And you just want to keep looping these petal parts over until you make like a bow, like Ayla said, and you turn it into a flower. So Ayla is 4. She needed a little bit of help with this, but my almost 6-year-old, 7-year-old, they made theirs essentially by themselves. Because we used Elmer's glue, we had to kind of hold it down a little bit. A glue stick probably would have been better. And then we're just cutting out yellow circles to use as the center of our flowers.
You're gonna hear me. Oh,
Throw some Katy Perry.
You're gonna hear me.
And a little break for some Katy Perry songs. And we're almost done our 3-dimensional flowers. One of the links that I saw on Pinterest, they cut their middle out this way and then just kind of gave it like a twist and glued it down to add more dimension to the flowers. With the kids, I just had them glue a yellow circle in the middle, but I want to show you in case you wanted to do something a little more different to jazz them up a bit. Okay, bye.
Bye!
We just added some tape to the back of ours and added them to our wall in our kitchen that has all of our Camp Mom activities planned out. And the last activity of the day was to do some planters. So we just took some plastic cups that I poked a hole in the bottom of with a screwdriver and some of our seed starting mix, and we planted some beans.
Do we have to bury it?
Alright, here, Carter, put it in.
Do I have to bury it?
You bury it just as deep as the seed is, so just like a smidgen. Bury it just a smidgen.
I did like that.
Okay, and then cover it up.
No, but I
A little bit more. Yours looks good, Carter.
can I can do it.
And we added some paper to ours so we can keep track and think about what our bean is going to do. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, you can find more from us here Make sure you subscribe, especially if you like these ideas. I'll be doing it all week long, and again, I will be doing the series in the summer. Give it a big thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments if you have any spring break plans. Bye, guys.